Hey guys, welcome to the 12th episode of this CSS tutorial episode. In this we're going to be talking about our font styles in CSS. Basically, we have two major font styles, which is the italic and the oblique. Now, when you talk about the italic and the oblique, there is really no difference. Or rather, let's say they are 95% the same, in the sense that you can really not tell the difference when they are used. So in other words, when doing your design, if you want to make your text italic, whichever one that comes to mind is just perfect for use. So let's dive into our codes and see how to effect this to our job. So let's go right away. Here is our CSS code. I want us to also use the H1 and H2, which is very visible to the illustration here. So at this point in time, we already have font with font family before now. What we want to do is add a font style. Now we just need to do the font style. Okay, and say italic. Save this, preview in browser. Hold on, let's see what is wrong. Okay, that is the reason it never worked. Here we go. Now our heading 1 text is now italic. Now take note of what we have on the screen. Let me change it to oblique, so you know what I'm saying when I say oblique and italic. They do virtually the same thing. If we refresh, all you can notice is a little push in terms of the font size, the font placement and the rest, but they do exactly the same thing. They make text italic. Now, for instance, if you need to make probably jQuery plugin to be italic in this write-up, how do you do that? In this case, you don't need to target it using a CSS, but you need to use HTML5 rule. Though we'll come to that later on. But at this point, what you just need to make maybe few words here italic is by using the new HTML5. So let's go and just look for the text we want to use. The one that says jQuery, or rather, let's just use this input field. Now you open the tag I, close it. Just where you want it to end, you close it with the I tag. You save it and preview. There you go. The input field here as slanted. That is how you make text or individual text italic in a web design. So very much we're done here. All you need to know about making text italic or non-italic is what we've just done here. So see you in the next tutorial.